Hello students, in this video we are going to write a complete Python program in which two numbers are required to be read from user, and after that we will display their sum, difference, multiplication, division and remainder. So let's start the program. The first thing while writing a program is need to identify the input. So in this question, the input is two number. So first we have to write the command to read two number from user. As I have told you earlier, to read two numbers, we have to write the input statement. Input, enter number 1. Again the point to be remember, Python read everything in the form of string. So we have to change the input in the integer. That's why I have to use a built-in function int. So I am enclosing this in the int function. Now this command will prompt you to enter a number. Whatever value is entered by the user, I am storing this value in a variable, say a. Name of the variable is identifier. It could be anything according to your choice. It could be a, b, c, d, a1, a2, x, y, z, any number, anything. But remember that the rule of the valid identifier must be followed. In the same way, I am reading another number inside the variable b. I have to read the number in integer. That's why I am writing the int over here. Because always remember that Python reads everything in the form of string. If you want to change the string in integer, then you have to use the built-in function int. Again, input, the message which you want to prompt on the screen. Whatever message you write, this will print on the screen. So the first part is over. We have written the command to read the content from the user. In this question, two numbers are required to be read. That's why we have written these two input statement to read two numbers. First number will be stored in A and another number will be stored in B. Now the second part, processing part. In processing part, we need to find out the sum, difference, multiplication, division and remainder. So A plus B, sum. Again we are storing this sum in another variable, say C. D equal to A minus B, E equal to A asterisk B into B, F equal to A divide B, G equal to A mod B. So in this way all the things are calculated. Now I want to print the value. So I am writing print. The sum is stored in the variable C. So for the sum I have to display the value of C. So I can simply write C. It will display the value. But if I want to display the value of C with some message, then I am again writing sum equal to, this is a part of the message, comma C. So the value of the C will be displayed along with this message. Means first it will display the message like this, sum equal to, then value. Whatever value is calculated, that will be displayed. This is suppose the example. In the same way, print difference D, print multiply E, print division F, print remainder G. So this is the complete program which will display the required result on the screen. But remember that the indenting should be followed clearly because Python is indenting based language. So see this. I have retained all the statement in the same indent here. So you have to write all the statement in a proper indent. If you write this statement here or here, means if you change the indenting, then Python will not execute the program. It is the error in the Python because you have to maintain the proper indenting. We can change the indent, we will change the indent, but that is indenting is changed only in the block, that is a block of if, loop, functions, etc. So here I am simply writing the basic program in which indenting is not required to be changed. That's why you have to maintain the proper indenting for writing a correct and complete program. Remember this. You have to maintain the proper indenting, means you have to write all the statement in the same line here in this way. And in Python, new statement must be from new line, means if you write this statement over here, then this will produce error, means new statement must be start from new line. Thank you.